Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to the Silly Girls Kitchen. Today we're making fried red potato wedges. Now, if you're like me and my family, I make potatoes for us about 2 to 3 times a week, and let's be honest, that can start to get boring if I don't mix it up too much. So I do like to take out this recipe whenever I want to kick it up and make something a little bit different. And they're so easy, they go together in about 15 minutes. Hello, easy meals, I love that. So let's get started. First step, we need to cut our red potatoes into wedges. Just try to make sure they are the same size as possible. I know you have bigger potatoes or smaller potatoes. Just try to get the wedges as equally in size as you can. Once you're done cutting them, go ahead and pop them into some cold water to stop the browning process. Before frying, make sure to pat down the potatoes really well with a clean kitchen towel. Then we're going to preheat our deep fryer to 320 degrees, and we're going to fry the potatoes in batches for about 10 minutes just to cook the insides till they're nice and creamy. Then we're going to crank up the temperature of the fryer to 375 degrees and flash fry the potatoes for about 2 to 3 minutes just until they reach the crispiness that you want. Then we're going to drain them onto a wired rack, and immediately as soon as they come out of the fryer, we're going to season them with some kosher salt and some seasoned salt. And then toss just to make sure that seasoning gets all over the potatoes, and that's it. Don't let that two-step process intimidate you. These go together in about 15 minutes. So easy, and it's great for any type of weeknight meal. And now we got a taste. Oh yeah. Creamy on the inside, crispy on the outside. A little bit of seasoning. I used kosher salt and seasoned salt, but you do you. Use lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, barbecue seasoning, taco seasoning. Any of that would go so good on top of these as soon as they come out of the fryer. And here's a little tip. I have made these potato wedges and then put nacho toppings on top. Like potato nachos. Come on, you guys. You have to try that. It's so good. And I think that's going to be my next cheat meal. I'm going to go tell Jeremy right now. He's going to be so excited. So as always, the full free printable recipe on how to make these fried red potato wedges will be down in the description box below. And please subscribe, hit that notification bell, because every single Wednesday we do have a new episode of the Silly Girls Kitchen right here on YouTube. I would love it if you would comment down below and let me know what you want to see next, and I might just make it. I hope to see you next week. Bye guys.